Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Caroline. Today we will be cooking sanga. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get into the lab. For this process, we will be needing some fresh palm nut cream concentrates, well-rinsed cassava leaves, fresh loose corn. This corn comes highly recommended. Please check out the link in the description box. Let's get cooking. Food is ready, guys. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this meal and if you've ever had it before. Extra salt and sugar is optional. You can equally have it runny or thick, but I love mine thick. Please, this is accompanied with a chilled glass of water and nothing else. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.